Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to protect a PowerPoint presentation with password. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To protect a PowerPoint presentation with password, open the PowerPoint presentation and then click on File tab on upper left corner. Then click on Info. Here you will find the first option, Protect Presentation. Click on Protect Presentation button here. And here you will find an option, Encrypt with Password. Click on Encrypt with Password. Now type the password here. And then click on OK. Now re-enter the password. Click on OK again. And look, a password is required to open this presentation. Now I'm going to close the PowerPoint presentation. Click on Save. And again, I'm going to open the PowerPoint presentation. Look, it asks for password. Enter password to open file. Now I am entering the password and then click on OK. This is the easiest way to protect a PowerPoint presentation with password. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.